Welcome back to the channel, friends. Also, if this is your first time stopping by, thank you. My name is Rob.
And I'm Michelle.
Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button and smash that little bell. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We were nominated by Mike and Joni of Those Who Glamp Together. If you don't know them, I'll link their channel up here so you can check them out as well. They nominated us to do the This or That challenge. It's an RV Nomad edition. It's 30 questions and it's basically one thing or the other. What do you like? What do you prefer? So we're going to go ahead and knock that out right now.
1,000 Trails or KOA?
Neither. If we had a choice, if we didn't have a choice, I guess I should say.
Probably 1,000 Trails.
Probably 1,000 Trails.
But the 1,000 Trails from the area we were at that we experienced wasn't that great.
Wasn't a great experience.
Glad it was free. Number 2, national parks or state parks?
I would say
National.
National, state. Depends on what state park we can fit in. So our rig is 42 feet long, so we're limited to what state parks we can get in.
We do love state parks. Shower in the rig or bathhouse?
Rig.
Is that even a question?
That's hands down. That's got to be the rig.
Bucees or Lowe's?
Ooh, so I've never been to a Bucees, but
Loves.
I know who they are. Yeah, it's supposed to be Love's. Love's is a national chain truck stop. Bucees is more of a regional Texas, Oklahoma kind of area. I've never been to a Bucees, but I would love to go to one.
Desert or snow?
Desert. I hate the cold.
I like snow. Fishing or hiking? Hiking.
I like them both. I've not fished well, since I got married. But I love fishing.
You blaming me?
And I'm not blaming you.
Oh.
Both for me.
Are we planners or spontaneous?
Planners. I like to be spontaneous,
yeah,
but I have to plan it.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
I kind of like the beach too.
For sure.
Winter in Arizona or Florida?
I
want to say Arizona because I haven't been there.
Yeah, Arizona. There's a lot of snowbirds in either one. Can we just do Texas?
Sure.
All right.
I mean, we're not doing this or that our way anyway.
This is the Our Life edition of This or That, okay?
This or that or Our Life. Move weekly or monthly? We kind of like 2 weeks.
I would say 2 weeks. That gives you time to set up, relax, recuperate, but also have time to go see the sites around. And if you work full-time from your rig like we do, you also have to have time to, make sure you focus on your work as well.
Hotspot in rig or RV park Wi-Fi?
Hotspot. And I did a lot of research and did a lot of installation for our hotspot. Basically, I have a big router and an antenna on top of the roof, so
it's great.
It works pretty well.
We don't have issues. We stream 3-4 different things at a time. Not a problem.
A lot of YouTube.
Yeah. Class A or towable? Well, we have fifth wheels.
Well, we have a towable now. We've toyed with the idea of getting a Class A or a Super C maybe. But right now, we like the fifth wheel.
Gas or diesel?
Diesel, all the way, hands down. There's no question. If you're going to do something, you got to do it 100%. And the power and the torque comes out of a diesel is exactly what we need for towing.
Camping alone or with friends? We like both.
We like both.
We like camping with friends because we miss them. But then we like our alone time too.
Right.
So I'd say it's kind of a tie.
Our Life Edition, I'm going to say.
If a Class A, tow or no tow?
Oh, definitely got to have a toad. Yeah. But not a Jeep.
No.
I don't want to be a Jeeper guy. I'm not that guy.
Slides or no slides?
Slides.
We have 5.
We have
like
5.
Slides.
It's just, it makes so much more room inside of the rig.
I mean, it's cool to not have slides, but it makes life a lot easier with slides. Pull through or back in?
Either one. I can do either one.
Doesn't matter. He doesn't need me for either, so. Solar or generator?
Well, again, that's another thing we've toyed with, is getting a big solar package put on to operate the entire rig on solar.
So,
But we do have a generator, so
generator for now.
I guess generator it is.
Harvest Toast or Walmart parking lot?
Harvest Toast. We did one lot docking one time, and it was okay. I mean, it got us through the night, but
I thought for sure somebody was going to come up to us. I didn't sleep good at all.
darn.
Campground or boondocking?
I say boondocking for majority of the week, and then kind of reset and get good showers and do the dishes and stuff at a campground for a day or 2. That's what I like.
I'm good with either. Blackstone or charcoal grill?
Blackstone, hands down, all the way. We love our Blackstone. We use it all the time, constantly.
For anything and everything. Dogs or cats? Dogs.
Dogs. Unfortunately, we don't have one at the moment, but we are definitely dog people.
Clam, tent, or awning?
Well, we don't have a clam.
You don't have to take anything else with you.
We just use our awnings, and we're perfectly okay with it.
Compost or black tank?
Black tank right now. We haven't decided on if we're going to do a compost or not. It would save some water.
Especially if we want to boondock more.
If we do more boondocking,
Air fryer or Instapot? I want an air fryer. I don't have one. I have an Instapot, and I've never used it.
There you go. I've never seen her use the air fryer either.
We don't have one. I said I would like one.
Do you want to cut that out?
No. Nope. Not gonna. Berkey or no Berkey?
Berkey. We have one. We love it. It's the greatest thing ever.
It's great. Even if we had a house, I think I would probably have
still
it in the
have
house.
it. Yeah. We have a Berkey video. If you have not seen it, I'll go ahead and link it up here as well.
Remodeled interior or leave it factory? We've been toying with this one.
Yeah, back and forth. We don't know.
Kind of want to do some different stuff.
But then we also kind of know that the new models coming out have what we want to do. So do we just get a new rig and get the one that we want, or stick with this one? And
this is the one we want. Just, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
We're stuck. Washer and dryer in the rig or laundromat?
Washer and dryer
in the rig.
Absolutely, hands down, had to have it.
I love them. I know people say it takes forever to dry things. It doesn't really.
It doesn't take that
much. It takes a little
longer.
bit longer, yes, but it's not bad. You can do a couple loads a day, and I usually just do 4 loads on Monday, and we're done. S'mores or hot dogs?
S'mores, love them. They're great.
Propane fire or wood fire?
Wood fire, love the wood
smell.
fire.
And
The
it helps keep
crackle.
the bugs away.
Exactly.
That's it.
Huh.
Who do we nominate?
Well, I'll tell you who we nominate. We're going to nominate the Brazen Brits. You guys are up. It's your turn.
Can you handle it, Laurence and Natalie?
Let's see if you can do it. You're up. Anyway, thanks for watching. These are our answers to the challenge. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down below, and we'll get back to you. We like to read all the comments. So, again, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and the subscribe button. And if you don't know us, this is Our Life.
You do you.